Yo everyone, here's just a quick one for you. Hopefully the short or the preview video uploads before this one. So, went to Cortland today, down to, they call it Cortland Reuse, just a thrift store. Got this nice nifty little Coca-Cola box for 16-ounce bottles. It was $5. I said why not. And then I also picked up this whole pile of Quick Wedge. I thought it said on here. Now this one just says Hunter on it. But it's there's the wedge right there. You twist it. I think this is the twist. Oh no, you pull back. See how the little thing turns right there? That's what holds the screw for a screw holding screwdriver. 357 Mag Dad also collects these. I've actually found a lot of these lately. So that's the holding piece there on that one. And then these little miniature ones are all Quick Wedges. This is the only one that says Quick Wedge on it. The other ones have different names on them, so they were marketed for something. Quick Wedge. There's the number. And the pocket clips for this one is molded into the handle, versus these are they come off. You can slide them up and down and stuff like that. And I think these have got the mange. They don't smell like they got the mange, but they got the little oxidation like they got the mange. So I'll have to go dip these in some ammonia. And then if anyone who hasn't watched the other videos there on these, here's the tip. And as you pull this down for the screw, it moves the thing back and forth right there. And then the other two things, everything was $1. Is this screwdriver here. It looks like it's an SK, but it's not. It's a AT&G USA. I looked up AT&G. It's I think it was American Tool and Grinding out of Louisiana. So I believe probably SK made them their screwdrivers for them, I'm guessing. I don't know. So probably have to give this off to someone I know that collects SK screwdrivers. And it's a T15. So, and then for the prize jewel, or whatever, for the ones, got this. It's Kraeuter & Co. Number's 1913-7. It's an offset adjustable wrench, so it's at 45 without me going to get a protractor. It's off-centered, off-angle. Is the knurlings, embellishments here on the handles. And on the inside of both handles is Kraeuter USA. This is actually in quite good shape. And this is a thrift store that I've been watching on Facebook for a while and just haven't gotten down there. It's only about 40 minutes away. And then also on the handle, it's got, yes, the offset there. If you can see here, it's like a screwdriver right here. It looks like it's always that way. It wasn't manipulated or home forged that way. So, little regular screwdriver, flat tip right there. So, alright guys, there you go. Well, have a good rest of the day. And thank you for watching. I got some more videos to upload that I've already filmed. Thank you.